hope you're ready for some fun. I plan to do a little bit of swiping just for fun. And shockingly, I'm only going to use a small amount of colors today. So let's get down to the canvas and have some fun. Okay, today we're going to work on a level 2 8x8" canvas. Our base coat today will be Sherwin colors to go in Golden Plumeria because my bright colors really shine on this. We're going to use some neons. We're going to use the Blaze Orange from Eye Candy. These are all Eye Candy. Saturn Yellow, Firebird Red, and to that we're going to add Suiren Purple and Rainbow Blue. And then we're going to add some color shifts. So we've got some Monitor Lizard and some Land of the Rising Sun. And our cell activators are going to be our Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet and our Amsterdam Titanium White. So we're going to put down a base. We're going to lay some colors. And we're going to do a little swiping. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the colors down first or we're going to do some palette knife swipes, but I think we're probably going to put the colors down first. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what my attitude feels like. Do you want to make sure that all your edges are getting a little damp? It's just going to make everything flow better. You don't have dry canvas. I think we're going to start with just putting a small amount of color sort of in the center here and just playing with it and seeing what comes of it. Get our small swiper here. I'm just going to use this one, I think. He's just a little guy, but I think we'll do maybe 2 swipes. So we're going to load up our swiping tool. White first, blue second, blue violet second. Load that up really nice. Now we're just going to give that a run through. And again, just run that through. Switch to my other palette knife. Alright, I'm definitely not liking this here. It's too white. A little thinner this way. All right, see what we can do here. A little scoop and drag. That's looking cool. Okay, let's give that a bit of a spin. Whoop, too hard. Whoa. Let's go a little slower. Shot paint everywhere that time. Oh wow. Look how that is opening up. See, there's sort of a funky little line right here I don't like. That is really cool. Let's see how much we're moving here. You always want to check and see how much you're moving, because that lets you know whether you've gotten enough paint off, which in this case the answer is no. But I'm starting to lose the really pretty stuff here out here on the ends, which is gonna make me sort of sad, but I don't have this down to a small enough amount of paint that it's not going to cause trouble and crack later, so I'm gonna have to lose a little more. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so bright. Okay, we're still moving a little, especially in the middle here. See if I can move it a good bit. Maybe I'll tilt there. Change the way it's flowing. Quite as much movement now. A little more centered. Okay. Wow. All right, that's cool. All right, let me clean this up a little bit. I'll bring it down for a close-up. Okay, we have wet results. Oh, I'm liking this one. So I wish I'd made it a little smaller so that I didn't have to stretch it, and had a little less base paint again, so I wouldn't have had to stretch it quite as much. But I'm still loving this. Oh, it's so bright. And you can, I don't know if I can get it to shift for you, but there is shift in here. But in this light, I probably can't get it to work when it's dry. All right, we're gonna let this one dry. Okay, we have dry results on this little beauty. Oh, it came out so great. I'm just gonna go right down this swipe here. Look at this. Oh Oh, love it. And it has another fun feature. All those lovely neon colors shining out in my black light. Oh, super happy. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to see more videos. This is part of our Friday with Friends train, so please check the description box for the playlist and the list of all of the artists in the train tonight. After me should be Joanne Ralston Art, followed by Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, and then Oak by Bettina. If there's been a change in the schedule, it will be noted in the description box. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.